Within the app launcher, the Statistics module includes a report of SmartCall IVR calls and usage. Sections include total calls, initial usage, miscellaneous usage, transfers, mailbox messages, and mailbox logins. Statistics are broken down by the following time frames: today, yesterday, this week, this month, this year, and last year. Total calls indicate inbound calls into the IVR broken down by channel or port. Most smart call systems distribute calls to the lowest channel first. However, in some systems, calls arrive at the highest channel first. If you see a high number of calls in all channels, your IVR may need additional resources and you should contact Smart Solutions support. Initial usage, the Use menu. This indicates a caller pressed a phone key after the SmartCall IVR answered the call. Initial holds. These callers made no menu choice but remained on the line until they were transferred to the staff. Initial hangups includes callers who hung up while listening to the main menu but before being transferred to the staff. This might include someone who dialed a wrong number, etc. Generally, total calls will equal used menu plus initial hold plus initial hangups. Other usage stats may also occur in a single call. For example, if a caller were to call the IVR and select refill in the main menu, then go on to refill 5 prescriptions, the call would count as one total call, one used menu, one requested refills, and 5 refills. Miscellaneous usage. Requested refill includes callers who selected the refill a prescription option from the main menu. Refills. This includes the total number of prescriptions requested to be refilled by all callers for the time period. Status checks includes callers who selected the check the status of a prescription order option from the main menu. This statistic will only be incremented one time during a call, regardless of how many prescriptions the caller enters. Doctor calls includes all callers who indicated they are calling from a prescriber's office. Order counts. This includes the number of prescription orders sent to the pharmacy management system. Hours and info shows the number of callers who chose to hear pharmacy hours, location, or both. Break on. This shows the number of times the pharmacy staff sets the SmartCall IVR to break mode during which callers cannot transfer. Voice bypass. Callers who are listed in the SmartCall caller ID settings with the destination of pharmacy or another department of the system are included in this stat. Outdial calls. If your pharmacy does outbound calling using SmartCall, the number of calls made will be shown here. Outdial calls are not included in total calls. For more specific information about outbound calls, see the call reporting module in the Contact Manager located in the app launcher. Transfers. The transfer stat indicates the number of callers that were transferred to each configured department of the SmartCall IVR. Transfers can occur because patients selected the option in a menu or because the caller made too many errors or didn't respond to a menu within the expected time frame. Mailbox messages indicate the number of messages left in each active voice mailbox in the SmartCall system. Mailbox logins include the number of times a staff member logged into a specific mailbox to manage voicemail messages.